Hi, if you are new to Flipgrid or have not made a Flipgrid before, here's a little instruction about what you can do and how you can obscure yourself and make sure that your selfie that you take on there is also obscured. So after you click on it, you'll get to what the discussion heading is. And if you scroll down, you can see other people who have uploaded their videos to the site. In order for you to do it, you see the big green button. That's how you will click your own and create your own new place. Oh, let's see something. Hold on. So now you will see me up on the other screen. Now, in order to obscure yourself, you can play with any of the filters if you want to. One thing that I like to do is kind of put on the pixel, because then even if there's parts of your face that aren't shown, everything gets obscured. You can then go and you can play with the stickers. There are a ton of different stickers and different things that you can pick. Once you have seen what other people have done, choose something different than anybody else. So everybody can have a unique persona that's on this. So, as a Marvel fan, and this one kind of reminds me a little bit of the Hydra symbol. So, I will be the octopus for this one. So I put it big. I can obscure my face. Now, also, if you want to, you can also add some other things to it. You can, besides just the smiley faces, you can go through a lot of the other stickers that are on there. Tons of different people you can do. If you just want to wear a mask or something covering your face, you can do that also. Put on a beard, put on a hat. Just have fun with it. One of the other things that I like to also do to it is if there is something that maybe makes you unique, not going to show necessarily, everybody exactly who you are, but something you just kind of want to put in there, a little sticker to personalize it a little bit. Like, I'm a fan of science, so I will put science onto mine also. And then when you record, you can record your video. It'll give you a chance to get ready, and then it'll just start recording whatever you end up saying into it. So you can record your response right here. Whenever you are done, click pause, go to next. Your chance to get ready, and then it'll just start recording whatever you end up saying into it. So you can record your response right here whenever you are done. And then once you go to next, it'll have you take your selfie. Now, during your selfie, you're going to want to kind of do the exact same thing that you did before. You don't have to put a lot of the other, accoutrement on if you did that, but you want to try to obscure yourself with the same one that you had before. So we'll go back. Go to the animals, find the octopus, put the octopus up for my selfie. I know it's kind of annoying that you have to do it twice, but it's the easiest way to do it. You want to make sure that nobody can see you if you want to obscure yourself. Make a nice little selfie right there. And if you like your selfie and it looks good, then you can click on to next. It will prepare your video, prepare your selfie together so it's nice and uploaded. Now this is the other important part, is the display name is you're going to tell me what name you want it displayed as. As you send me your video, your real name will be sent to me, but it won't be displayed to everybody else. So I would just call myself like the octopus, and you can give it whatever title. If you're doing a, you know, parodying a song or something, you can put the song title in there. If this is like your first video, you know, you could just put like, hello from the octopus. And once you get that done and you are ready, you can submit your video. And if you want to share it out to people, if you're like, wow, I did an excellent job on that, you can share out your direct video to other people if you want to. You can download it so that it's on your computer if you want to keep it. You can keep your selfie if you really like your selfie. Otherwise, it is sent to me and other people can see it at the same time. So that is how to load yourself up into it. And if you have any questions, please definitely make sure that you contact me. And thank you for participating.